Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. So friend, the RTX 4070 Ti is the upcoming 8104 based mid-range card and it is replacing the Ampere RTX 3070 model that was released more than 2 years ago but later updated the LHR model in May 2021. It is about time NVIDIA has successor that launched after RTX 4070 Ti, and friend, according to leak benchmarks, the RTX 4070 GPU has been tested on a Core i9-3900K system with an ASRock Z790 Taichi Carrara motherboard, and given how niche this motherboard is, we might assume that this is reviewer preparing data for April 12th, and the card is confirmed to feature 12 GB and 10.5 GHz memory. This is the same configuration as the RTX 4070 Ti, and furthermore, the leak confirmed 46 Streaming Multiprocessor count, which translates into 5888 CUDA cores, and this is quite literally the last part of the RTX 4070 specification that still had to be confirmed. And right now it seems we know everything, and this will be launched on 13th April and price will be $599. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.